Well, hello, my little friends. Welcome back to Storytime Magic. Today, we are gonna learn about different types of cats in this world. Meow. The name of the book is A Carnival of Cats, written by Charles Ghigna, illustrated by Christy Bridgman. A Carnival of Cats. I saw a cat. What cat was that? Orange and black from head to toe. Could that be a calico? Stripes and spots, round and flat. Could that be a tabby cat? Black and white, fast as a breeze. Could that be a Siamese? Fluffy fur, fun to pat. Could that be a Persian cat? Eyes the size of a harvest moon. Could that be a Great Maine Coon? Short of tail, imagine that. Could that be a Bobtail cat? Dark as night with eyes of grey. Could that be a Black Bombay? Blue-grey fur, the only clue. Could that be a Russian blue? Owl face, eyes of gold. Could that be a Scottish fold? Here comes that cat, I know what kind. He's just a stray. That cat is mine! The end. I hope you liked the story, and if you did, hit the like button. See you in the next story. Meow meow.